Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to start practice set 6.3. Practice set 6.3 is based on the construction of circumcircle and encircle. Okay. In this practice set, the question is to construct the circumcircle and encircle. That means in this practice set we have to construct the circumcircle and encircle of a triangle. The question is, what is circumcircle and encircle? Okay, the circle which are passes from the vertices of a triangle, that means in the exterior part from the vertices of a triangle, is called circumcircle of a triangle. Okay, now a circle which passes from the vertices of a triangle in the exterior part of the triangle touches the vertices of a triangle is called a circumcircle. Okay, got it? Circumcircle is nothing but the circle which are passes from the exterior part of a triangle and touches the vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle. Now the encircle is the circle which passes in the interior part of a triangle and touches the sides of the triangle. Encircle touches the sides of the triangle. So this type of circle is called encircle. Encircle touches the side, while the circumcircle touches the vertices. Circumcircle passes from the exterior part of a triangle and encircle is passes from the interior part of a triangle. Okay, so these are the circumcircle and encircle. And the question is, that means the practice set 6.3 is based on the construction of circumcircle and encircle. So first of all, what are the steps of construction of circumcircle? Steps of construction of circumcircle. Okay, to construct the circumcircle, first step is draw triangle with the given measure, the question as given in the question. So the measurement given in the question, as per the measurement, the first step is to draw that triangle. Okay, the first step to construct the circumcircle is draw the triangle of the given measure. Next is draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides of a triangle. You know that in a triangle there are three sides. Out of these three, draw any two sides perpendicular. You know how to draw the perpendicular. Select any two side of a triangle and draw its perpendicular. Okay, that is the second step. And the third step, name the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector. So the two perpendicular bisector that you draw, it intersect at one point, give the name to that point. Join that point with any vertices of a triangle, so that is your radius of a circle. By taking that radius of a circle, draw a circle which passes from all the three vertices of a triangle. Once again, the first step is draw a triangle of the given measure as in the question. The second step is draw any two sides perpendicular of a triangle. Then this third step, give the name to the point of intersection of that perpendicular and join this point with any one vertices of a triangle. So that is your radius. By taking that segment as a radius, draw a circle which passes from all the three vertices of a triangle. Okay. Steps of construction of encircle. The first step is same as circumcircle. Draw triangle of given measure. That means the measurement given in the question. As per that measurement, draw a triangle. Okay. And after that, draw any two angle bisector. Just this step is different. In circumcircle, you have to draw any two sides perpendicular bisector. But for encircle, you have to draw any two angle bisector. That means you have to bisect any two angle of a triangle. Okay. The angle bisector intersect at one point. Give the name to that point. Join that point to the opposite side, that is your radius. By taking that radius, draw a circle which passes from the interior part of the triangle. So this is the steps of encircle. The first step is same in both the construction, that means circumcircle and encircle. Draw triangle of the given measure. Then the second step, for circumcircle, draw perpendicular bisector of any two side. For in circle, draw angle bisector of any two angle. Okay. Now the next third step is also same. Circle, draw a circle. For a circumcircle, the circle is passes from the vertices, and for in circle, the circle is passes from the interior part of a triangle. That means it touches the sides of the triangle. Okay. So let's start the construction. The first question is, construct triangle ABC such that angle B is 100 degree. So for all the construction, the rough figure is necessary. Observe the question, read the question and draw the rough figure. The first is construct triangle ABC. Here you have to construct triangle ABC such that angle B is 100 degree. So angle B is 100 degree, that means it's obtuse. First I am drawing rough figure. This is the rough figure, triangle ABC. In that angle B is 100 degree and BC is 6.4 centimeter and angle C is 50 degree. Okay. And we have to construct its in circle. We have to construct it in circle. This is the rough figure. Now let's start the fair one. To fair, first of all, draw segment BC, that means a base of 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Then take angle B is 100 degree and angle C is 50 degree. Okay. So then you complete your triangle. That means the first step. Now the second step, bisect any two angle of this triangle. So normally we are bisect the base angle. So angle bisector meet at one point, give the name to that point and draw a perpendicular from that point to the opposite side. And then by considering that segment as a radius, draw a circle. So let's start the fair construction. So first of all, BC 6.4 centimeter. Take BC base. BC base is 6.4 centimeter. Okay. So BC 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Now next step is angle B is 100 degree. Angle B 100 degree. Draw the ray of angle B 100 degree. So keep your protractor on point B and mark as 100 degree. See here. So this is 90, this is 100 degree. Okay. Now draw the ray of angle 100 degree. This angle is 100 degree. Okay. Now angle C is 50 degree. Now keep the protractor on point C and mark as 50 degree. So this is 50 degree. Now join this both the angle rays. The point of intersection is A. Join this angle rays. Join these angle rays till they intersect. The point of intersection is point A and this is your triangle ABC. See here, this is your triangle ABC. Okay. Now you have angle C is 50 degree. Okay. To draw the end circle, the next step is to bisect any two angle. Okay, that means you have to bisect any two angle of this triangle. then point of intersection of angle bisector is nothing but the center of your incircle. Okay, to bisect an angle, take compass. So we are going to bisect angle B and angle C. So first of all, I am going to bisect angle C. Keep the tip of the compass on point C and draw two arcs like that. Okay, now keep your compass on the first arc and draw one arc in front of this angle C. Then to the next arc and intersect this arc. This is your bisector of angle C. This is the bisector of angle C. Okay. So here we draw bisector of angle C. Now we are going to draw the bisector of angle B. Now keep the tip of the compass and angle B. Now similar way, draw two arc. Then keep your compass on the first arc and draw one arc. Then intersect the arc like that. This is the bisector of angle B. This is the bisector of angle B. The point of intersection you give the name as O. I am going to give the name as O. So O is the center of a circle. So draw one perpendicular to the base like that. This is the radius of the circle. Okay. O is the center of incircle and OP, give any name here. OP is the radius of incircle. Now keep the tip of compass on O, that means the center, and draw your circle. So this is the incircle. Okay. Keep the tip of the compass on O, point O. O is the center of a circle. Then draw the circle. Okay. So here this is your incircle. Okay. See here, this is the incircle of this triangle ABC. Once again, I am repeating this step. First of all, draw the triangle as per the measurement. Then draw any two angle bisector. Here I draw angle bisector of B and angle bisector of C. Then the point of intersection of angle bisector is nothing but the center of incircle. So by considering that point as a center, draw a circle passing from interior part of a triangle is called incircle of that triangle. Okay. Now move to the next, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is based on circumcircle. Question number 2, first of all draw the rough figure. Question number 2 is construct triangle PQR such that angle P 70 degree. You have to construct triangle PQR. So here in question number 2 we have to construct triangle PQR. In that angle P is 70 degree. Angle P is 70 degree and angle R is 50 degree and QR is 7.3 centimeter. Okay, and we have to construct its circumcircle. Okay, to draw the triangle we need two base angle, but here the angle P is given but angle Q is not given. But you can find angle Q of a triangle are 180 and 70 plus 50 is 120. Then 180 minus 120 you get 60 degree. Okay. So angle Q is equal to nothing but 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Okay. So here you get angle Q is 60 degree. Sum of angle of a triangle is 180. Okay. So to draw the circumcircle, the first step is same, to draw the triangle of the given measurement. So to draw this triangle, first of all draw base 0.3 centimeter. Okay. First of all draw base QR of 7.3 centimeter. Then angle Q is 60 degree. Angle Q 60 degree. Okay. Draw the ray of angle Q 60 degree. Then angle R is 50 degree. Now take angle R as 50 degree. 50 degree. Now join this angle ray The point of intersection of these two angle rays are nothing but point P. So this is your triangle PQR. Okay, PQR. Now first step we complete, that is the construction of triangle. Now we have to construct the circumcircle. To construct the circumcircle, the step is to bisect any two sides of this triangle. So I am going to bisect side PR. So to bisect side PR, to first keep your point on, keep the tip of the compass on point P and draw two arcs like that, front and back. Okay. Now keep the tip of the compass point R, then intersect this arc. Now you get, this is the bisector, perpendicular bisector of side PR. Okay. Now next I am going to bisect side QR. To bisect side QR, take more than half distance. Okay, draw two arcs above and below. Then place the tip of the compass on point R, then intersect that arc. So this is the perpendicular bisector of side QR. Okay. Now point of intersection of this bisector is nothing but O, that is the center of circle. Now draw the circle passing from the vertices of triangle, that means in the exterior part of the triangle is called its circumcircle. Okay. This is the circumcircle. Got the idea how to draw the circumcircle? Once again, first of all, draw the triangle of the given measurement. Then draw any two side bisector, that means perpendicular bisector of any two side, and the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector is nothing but this center of the circumcircle. By considering that point as the center, draw the circle passing from the exterior point of the triangle and touches the vertices of the triangle. So this is your circumcircle. Okay. Now move to the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is construct triangle XYZ such that XY 6.7 centimeter. Here we have to construct triangle XYZ. Okay. In this question, the question is construct triangle XYZ. So first of all, draw the rough figure. In rough figure, you need only to draw the triangle of the given measure. So here we have to construct triangle XYZ. In that, XY 6.7 centimeter and YZ 5.8 centimeter and XZ 6.9 centimeter. 6.9 centimeter. Then we have to construct its in circle. In this question also we have to construct in circle. So let's start. First construct the triangle of this measure. Okay. So first of all I am going to draw base YZ as 5.8. This is base 5.8 centimeter YZ. Okay. Now XY is 6.7 centimeter. Then measure 6.7 centimeter on compass. Keep the tip of the compass on point Y and draw an arc. Okay. Now XZ is 6.9 centimeter. Then measure the distance of 6.9 on a compass. 6.9 on a compass. And place the tip of the compass on point Z and intersect that arc. So this is your point X. Now you complete your triangle XYZ. Okay, so this is your triangle XYZ. Now we have to construct it in circle. To construct in circle, we have to bisect any two angle. Normally we are bisecting base angle. Write the measurement. This is 6.7 centimeter and this is 6.9 centimeter. Okay, I am going to bisect angle Y and angle Z. Okay, so firstly I am bisecting angle Z. Draw two arcs. Place the tip of the compass on point Z and draw two arcs. Now place the tip of the compass on first arc and draw one arc. Next, to the next arc, intersect this arc. This is the bisector of angle Z. Now we have to bisect angle Y. To bisect angle Y, similar way, place the tip of the compass on Y and draw two arcs. Okay. Now similar way, construct the bisector of angle Y also. Okay. This is the bisector of angle Y. The point of intersection of this bisector is O. O is the center of circle, and from O draw one perpendicular to the base. This is the radius of the circle. Okay. Now place the tip of the compass on point O and draw circle in the interior part of a circle. Interior part of a triangle. So this is your in circle. Okay. Okay. So this is the in circle of this triangle XYZ. This is question number 3. Question number 4 is construct in triangle LMN. LM is 7.2 centimeter, angle M is 105 degree, MN is 6.4. Then we have to draw LMN, triangle LMN, and construct its circumcircle. So first of all, draw rough figure. In triangle LMN, angle M is 105. That means it is obtuse angle triangle. So in rough figure also I am showing its obtuse angle. L M N. Okay, M is 105 degree and LM is 7.2. This is 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 centimeter. And MN is 6.4 centimeter. Here in this question we have to construct its circumcircle. Circumcircle, that is a circle which passes from the exterior part of the triangle, that is what touches the vertices. So let's start the figure construction. First of all, draw base. Its base 6.4 centimeter. Base M and 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Then angle M is 105 degree. Now take angle M as 105 degree. 105 degree, 105 degree, 101, 102, 103, 105. Okay. Now draw the angle ray of 105 degree. Okay. Now this side LM is 7.2. So intersect this angle ray at 7.2. Measure 7.2 distance on compass. Cut this angle ray at 7.2. So this is your point L. Okay, this is 7.2 centimeter and angle is 105 degree. Okay, now join LN. So here we complete construction of triangle LMN. Okay, next we have to construct its circumcircle. To construct circumcircle, we have to bisect any two sides. Okay, so first I am going to bisect MN. Okay, so to bisect MN, first place the tip of the compass, take more than half distance, place the tip of the compass on point M and draw two arcs above and below. Okay, now place the tip of the compass on point N. Now intersect that arc. This is the bisector of MN. Okay. Okay. Now next I am going to bisect side LN. Bisect LN, take more than half distance. Place the tip of first point, draw two arcs above and below. That means front and back. Then place the tip of the compass on another point and intersect the previous arc. So this is the bisector of side LN. Join these points. Now point of intersection, here two bisector intersect each other at this point. So this is the center of the circle. That means circumcircle. I am giving the name as point O. Now draw circumcircle. Place the tip of compass on point O and draw circumcircle like that. Okay, see here, this is the circumcircle. I hope you got the idea how to draw the circumcircle and encircle. Okay, one more question, question number 5 is homework for you. In question number 5, you have to construct triangle DEF in such that DE and EF both are 6 centimeter and angle F is 45 degree, and then you have to construct its circumcircle. Okay, in problem set one question is there, that is question number 2 is construct encircle and circumcircle of equilateral triangle DSP with side 7.5. That means here you have to construct triangle DSP which is equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides are equal, 7.5, 7.5. Then you have to construct its circumcircle and encircle. Okay, as this is equilateral triangle, then there is no need to draw angle bisector and side bisector both. Draw only side bisectors. That means bisector of any two sides. The point of intersection of side bisector is the center of encircle and circumcircle also. That means from same point draw encircle and circumcircle. Okay, that question is also homework for you. And the one more part of this question, measure the radius of both the circle and find the ratio. Then with the help of scale, measure the radius of encircle and circumcircle. Then find the ratio. The ratio, that means encircle upon radius of encircle upon radius of circumcircle. Then you got the ratio is 2:1. Okay. That question is also homework in problem set. One more question, that is question number 3. In question number 3 is we have to construct encircle and circumcircle, but that triangle is not an equilateral triangle. So for circumcircle you have to bisect side bisector, and for encircle you have to bisect angle. Okay, that means you need to bisect side bisector also and angle bisector also, because that triangle is not an equilateral triangle.